Hi guys, this is gsno.com and here with the unboxing of the Razer Phone 2. So we've already played with the Asus ROG phone and we wondered, is there any other gaming phone out there which is better or not? Razer Phone 2. It came in the fall of 2018, it's a gaming device, it's priced at $499 right now on Razer.com and we have it here. It's a Snapdragon 845 affair with a 100Hz screen, and this is a special dedication from Razer with some of the features including HDR support for the screen. Now the phone itself looks like this. It's pretty angular and rectangular and it's mighty heavy at 220 grams. It's got a laser logo at the back and it can light up in green, a bit of a trademark, and it has no curves. Nothing is edgy, curved or round, everything is straight, rectangular, serious and solid, like a block of glass and metal. You can see some generous speakers at the front, one at the bottom and one at the top, with special THX certification and stereo and Dolby Atmos and all the goodness you can want, except there is no audio jack in here. But for that we have a special bundle of headphones, these ones, the Razer Hammerhead USB-C ANC, and I'll get to them a bit later. Now we continue the unboxing. Let's see what's inside the box. Pretty nice organization of the content, as if it were a book. Here we have the manual and some extras, I'm guessing. Okay, so Razer Phone 2, instruction, useful info, bunch of stickers, and as far as I can see there should also be a metal key here used to access the slots. I'm not very sure it's metal, it feels like an interesting material. Anyways, that's it with several extra guides. Now the actual accessories include a very hefty charger which is supposed to do fast charge. Here we go, fast charge at 18 watt, and guess what, it hooks up to a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable like I've seen recently on a Motorola phone and also recently on the Google Pixel 3. And now what else we have here? We have the cables. So this one is the USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Let's put it back like this because it's beautifully placed. And we also have another cable which is basically an adapter. Let's see if we can get it to slide out of here. So this is the adapter from USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack because we don't have an audio jack on board. That's basically it. We don't have bundled headphones, but once again we have these ones, the Hammerhead USB-C ANC. These are $99 and they're premium headphones. Got a bit of Velcro here. They come with their own carrying pouch, and in the pouch you'll be able to find some extra headphone tips for various sizes of ears and such things. Now an interesting thing, usually headphones like this have a tip that's made of silicone or rubber or thing like that. This one is actually foam and that's rather interesting, but the replacement tips are the usual silicone rubber thingies. We have an inline remote, we have a microphone, and of course we have the USB-C connector straight to the headphone. Now this pair of headphones, once again $99, active noise cancelling, that's ANC. They got dual driver, digital to analog converter, braided cable, aluminum frame, and what have you. I'm going to put this aside for now and let's fire up the phone, see what it's all about, maybe detail some specs. Now the handset itself is rather interesting. It measures 8.5mm in thickness, which is reasonable for me, but the weight, 220 grams, kind of hefty. Now on the display front, a 5.72-inch screen, an IGZO IPS LCD panel with a Quad HD resolution and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. We also have white color and 120Hz support and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 CPU inside, and this logo here has already started lighting up. Let's get started. Okay, reading the document, agreeing to stuff, accept, skip. Now the actual usage space is a bit smaller than you're used to these days. So we've been seeing phones with 6.5-inch screens, so this one is actually smallish compared to what we get nowadays. Skip. We have the fingerprint scanner on the side. My guess is that it's embedded in the power button. Other specs include 8 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, micro SD card slot, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, top and bottom, and the back camera is a combo of 12 and 12 megapixel shooters with dual LED flash. The main camera has optical image stabilization and dual phase detection autofocus, while the secondary one has 2x optical zoom. And at the front we have an 8 megapixel shooter for the selfies or maybe to record your gaming sessions. Now let's see if you can increase the brightness. That's about it. And we also have a 4000 mAh battery with wireless charging and fast charging. There's HDR support for the screen, 24-bit DAC for the acoustics, and these are the pre-installed apps. We have a Dolby Atmos app. The phone debuted with Android 8.1 and it has a pre-installed Nova Launcher Prime, which is kind of cool to see on a phone, and it recently got updated to Android Pie with several innovations and perks, like something related to video recording and many more things. Okay, so let's actually see what we're dealing with here. We're running on Android 8.1.0. Android Pie should come right after we connect it to the Wi-Fi after this unboxing. So this has been our first contact with the Razer Phone 2 and its pair of headphones that you can buy separately, and I'm sure that some retailers will even throw them in for you as a bonus. So a gaming phone that's pretty heavy, pretty angular, but I look forward to testing games on the 120Hz screen. This is from gsnrom.com. This has been the unboxing of the Razer Phone 2. Bye bye.